Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can use DJ AI mode on Spotify. It's pretty simple, but first you have to update your Spotify to the latest version. So go to your app store and search for Spotify. And over here, if it shows you open, that means the Spotify is up to date. But if it shows you update, click on update and update your Spotify. Once your Spotify is updated, at the top left corner you will see the option called music. Click on music. Now from inside over here, your Spotify's DJ AI will be shown. So as you guys can see, my DJ AI has already created like multiple playlists according to the music which I listen to. So all the music you listen to, Spotify stores the data and it curates it tries to know what kind of music you like. So whenever you go to DJ AI of Spotify, it's going to create different playlists according to the past listening history of you. So I listen to a lot of songs similar to this. That's why it has created playlists like this for me. So as you guys can see, I have tons of different playlists created over here by Spotify AI. So that is basically how you guys can do it. Now to use it, you can simply just click on the playlist and the playlist will open up. You can listen to any song from this playlist. It's as simple as that. So hope you understand on how to use DJ AI mode on Spotify. Hit the subscribe to our channel, 1 step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.